So here I am standing on top of a roof. Got the contract finally sorted with all the clients on the roof here. If you want to have a look at the videos that's there, it's actually here. There's the video there for you. Go and have a look at the video. This was a roof that was destroyed. It was six entire roofs were destroyed, of which I've been given the contract only 2 weeks later. The full contract from everyone. Everyone's now agreed to the price, and everything's good in regards to that. I'm now back up on the roof, but lo and behold, the wet weather's coming in. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to make the best of it, get it prepped. So what I've done now so far is I've managed to get this all sort of lifted again, and we've actually prepared the roof underneath. What I've got to do right now is I've got to prepare. I'm fixing all the slates at the minute. The slates are being done. Sorry to interrupt you while you're watching this beautiful entertainment that I'm giving you. Please subscribe to my channel for great entertainment, or infotainment, isn't it? Subscribe to this channel for great infotainment, and you'll get lots of exciting stuff that's going on. Great presentation, great production, great shite talking, and that's a crap one I did, wasn't it? Done, and as you can see, some slates have been done. These have to be repaired, and there's a few more to be repaired down there. The water now is basically fully protected from the roof going onto the flat roof using this plastic bagging. But sadly, there was insurance roofers that done this work here. Now, I don't know, maybe it's me, but I wouldn't have done that. I wouldn't have put staples in, really light gauge staples in a felt roof on top to hold it down. That's not the sort of thing that I would do. To me, it looks like a shed. And currently, that is not my repair. If you have a look over here, I'm not convinced that's a good job. But you guys tell me, anyone that is a roofer, would you do that? Would you put these clout nails, galvanized clout nails, in here? Now watch this. Are you ready for this? They're not actually nailed in. They're actually just sitting there, like holding it. It has been tarred, but not for me. And that's not my work either. This is not me either. I wouldn't have done that as well. I don't know why they've got their the wee caps are there. They're okay, the copper caps. You see them there? But they've done this and they've screwed them down. I'm not convinced that's the way forward. Maybe it is. It'll hold it in place. But how long will it be before that starts to rust and has to be done again? So I'm using the caps, I'm using aluminium nails, and I'm repairing the roof as I went along. There's a couple of things that I've had to repair and just put back the roof. This has been now pulled up and retrieved. This needs a new cover. I need to get a brand new cover for that, a new cover for that. Getting the slates, here's the slates there. These are concrete fibre slates. I've nearly finished this job here. This is nearly done, as you can see. And I've got this bit to do here and a bit more to do there. I've got my wee hookies there. See the wee hooks? These girls here, see them there? They're a great wee job. They're a brilliant wee job. You put them into the, I'll show you here. So, how they work is they act like little hooks. You put them in here, in there like so. You hook them in and they hold the slate in place like so. You see that? So they go up there. So you have to measure them right so they're not in wrong. I would say it's about here that I have to tap them into the timber here, and that'll hold the slate in place. There's a couple of wee bits of more broken slates that needs to be done. There's one there. As I keep going, it keeps breaking more, but it has to be fully restored and repaired. So I'll pull these nails out. I've got to fix that felt. What I'll do is I'll just put a small piece of bitumen felt there, and I'll just lead mate it around it, just to keep it all nice and tidy. There's a load of sand And the reason was, what actually damaged this was when the storm came, someone had weighed down a bit of what I refer to as a bit of rubber on this roof, and they put sandbags to weigh it down. They didn't even fix it. It was absolutely horrendous, to be honest with you. And again, I'm going to reiterate the statement. You know, I'm not a roofer. I don't claim to be a roofer, and I love saying that. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a clip. This really annoys the TikTokers. So YouTubers see the full video, but I take this out of context and it gets millions of views on TikTok. So I'll say something ridiculous. So you guys get in on the joke here, okay? This is for some reason it annoys people on TikTok. So I'm going to do this TikTok setup. I'm going to do it a few times, but we're going to keep it in the video on YouTube now today for a bit of crack. So we'll start off with this, and what you do is I go like this. You ready, guys? So I'm not a roofer, but if it was me, I'm just a stupid eyed spark. If it was me, what I would do is I would just put down Superglue on these tiles, because you know Superglue works really well, and I feel that's probably the best way to fix these tiles. They're called slates. These slates. So all I do is I get a wee bit of glue, wee bit of super glue, and I glue it up there. I don't need nails. Who needs nails for this job? And that's quick fix. And you know what? I probably get about 10 of them done, and I could charge the customer about 4 or 5 grand for doing that. And there it is. That's it over. That's the joke. And what you can do is you can go over to my TikTok when it happens. Oh, there's a bit of water on the thing. How long, guys? There's the rain coming in heavily. So I still got to get this work done before I I can't stop while it's raining heavily. I've sent the other boys down out of the way to tidy up, but there's really nothing I can do on the rest of this work at the minute. There's really nothing at all I can do. What I've done is I've made sure 100% that the water is coming off the roof and going on. Just got to fix this. I got to fix the slates, and I got to fix this. See this bit here? That needs to go up inside behind that the neighbour's felt for the time being. What I'll do is I'll just tack it up inside, put a bit of mastic up inside for the time being, while I am waiting for dry weather to finish the job. Hopefully tomorrow will be a better day, and hopefully I can at least do one section of this 4 resident roof that I've got to fix. So there it is. We've set the joke up for TikTok, and I love it, because the last one I done, I think it got 1.3 million views. 1.3 million. Crazy. Anyway, good talking to these guys. I'll get speaking to you very soon.